What's up, guys? It's me, Evil Collector 96 here again. I'm back with another video. Alright, so yesterday I just busted a box of 0910 Victory, and all the cards are right here, but I busted them at strictly single sports cards in Halifax, near the Halifax Forum. Yeah, their new address. So yeah, I also got this 0809 frozen artifacts number to 199 jersey of Daniel Alfredsson. It's this white swatch and black swatch. Cool. Books at 8. I got it for 6. Could have got it for 5, but oh well. Who cares? So yeah, onto my victory box. I got all these base. I got a lot of duplicates. Yeah, see the gets left. Also got duplicate checklists of Alexander Ovechkin. So yeah, I'm pretty much done the base set anyway. Victory rookies I got were Matt Belsky, Christian Hansen. Boo, fuck you. Screw the Leafs. But Habs roll 74-33 says boo, Leafs. Ville Lino, yay, Wings one. David Drewski, David Shlemenko, Ron Veschi, Jay Beagle, Brand Siegel, Tim Stapleton. Yeah, Tim Stapleton. Boo. Fuck you again. Boo, boo. Grant Lewis, Cal O'Reilly, Brian Salcedo, Phil Orskovich. Jeez, I got 3 Leafs rookies, so boo. Joel Reichlich. I think he got in a fight with a Canucks guy at that Anders a Canucks game in Terrace, BC, back on the 14th this month. Well, anyways, he got Antti Niemi, Mike McKenna, Michael Vernus, and Yannick Weber. Cool. I got victory gold cards of Todd White and gold. Yeah, 2 golds of Todd White and Patrick Sharp. Now for the inserts, I got game breakers of Patrick Sharp, Rick Nash, Ilya Kovalchuk, Devin Setaguchi, Louis Eriksson, Peter Mueller, Patrick Eliash, Patrice Bergeron, and Nicholas Backstrom on the Capitals. I got 2, so cool. Last but is this Stars of the Game cards of Carey Price, Joe Thornton, Patrick Kane. Got 2 of these now. Evgeny Malkin, Jerome McGinley, Rick Nash, Mike Richards, Mike Modano, and Sidney Crosby. Swoosh. Swoosh. Yeah, so all these cards have swoosh on them. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's my box and pickup I got. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. That's my video, and be sure to keep asking me for bracket prices. And that's it. I will see you later. Peace.